What's going on YouTube, man? Johnny here, JRTProductions, JRT Prod Squad represent. Look, if you want to be JRT Prod Squad, all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button, man, and you'll be notified whenever I have new content uploaded. Just hit that bell if you really want to be notified immediately. So today's video, man, I got some great stuff in store. What we're gonna do is I'm headed up to Extreme Images right now here in Douglasville because something else going on. I got more decals, man. I got more decals put on. So when you see me on the street, you see the tag, you see JRT Prod, but then also when you see me and you park beside me at the light or something, or you see me at a store, you can follow me on Snapchat, on Instagram. It'll be right there on the side windows, man. And if you want to follow my YouTube and you riding behind me, because that's where most people are when I'm driving the RT, they behind me. And also between the tail lights, there's a little black space because I did the Dodge delete on the back. So what I did is I got something for that too. I can't just have old plain Jane back there in the back, so we got a decal for that too. Got my logo back and everything back there for that. So I'm about to go up here to Extreme Images. I'm gonna let you guys, I'm gonna introduce you to the people there, the installers, the receptionists, design, everything like that. It's a nice small owned business, family owned business from what I know. And I'm gonna let you guys see, let you guys know it, let you guys meet the people there. And afterwards, probably take a few hours, I'll show you the finished product. The car is coming along very, very well. You guys know that I started this channel probably a little over a year ago, and it was a base model RT, and it's come a long way from then to now. So I want to thank you guys again, man, just for riding with me through all of this stuff, man, and everybody that's with me. If you've done the same thing to your cars, I know your cars looking dope as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to Extreme. Douglas County. Alright, so yeah, like I said, about to get this replaced, get this done here. Say bye-bye to the blank screen that's in the middle there. Prefer to shit it on my car. Hello. Yes.
Oh, yeah, we're waiting on you.
Yeah, I'm here. What's up, man?
You excited getting it early?
I am ready. I understand.
Lindsay.
That's Lindsay. Okay. Design?
Not design, quoter.
Quoter? Okay, good. Pleasure to meet you. All right, and we have
Annalisa, receptionist.
Annalisa, receptionist.
Austin, production.
Production. All right, so this is the crew that's going to be doing everything for us here today. Let me get my key out and everything. So it's super hot outside.
Oh, I know. All right, thank you, and we'll call when it's done, okay?
All right, I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Okay, she's going away for a few hours, but when we come back, we will have the proper identification applied. So, got my co-worker Randall here, taking me back to work. Fun, exciting day, y'all. I told y'all, man. Just tell everybody exactly what Extreme Images does, just introduce everyone's role, because everyone's taking a part. Some guys outside right now, I don't want to show y'all just yet. So.
Oh, okay. Well, they're gonna be done by the time.
That's good. Okay, perfect time. So just tell them what you do.
We're a full service sign shop. We,
okay.
Do everything from yard signs and magnets to halo lit channel letters, LED lighting.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we do everything. A lot of people think we just do yard signs and maybe some vehicle graphics, but we actually do large monuments, subdivision entrances.
Okay.
A lot of county.
Man, I just did some HID lights in my car like last night.
We don't do a lot on vehicles. We do.
Yeah.
I have 2 teenage boys, so we're always doing something with their vehicles,
okay.
the lighting inside. But for businesses, predominantly, we do the LED lighting on the
okay, like that.
windows.
Okay, I got you.
channel letters, like the signs across the street, like the Jump and Joy.
Oh, yeah.
The
Okay.
light on the inside so that you can see the businesses at night.
Gotcha.
We do a lot of that.
Okay, so this is Jennifer. She's the owner. And right here we have Annalisa, receptionist, and we have Miss Lindsay over here who does the quotes. Yes, great job. Okay, and who's this back here?
David. Printer.
All right, David's the printer.
Ronnie is over production. He's out today.
Okay.
On a little trip. And Scoot and Andrew handle the majority of installs. And we've got 3 full-time graphic artists on staff.
Okay.
To help with any artwork that needs to be done. And Lori's our office manager. And Alex is our outdoor sales estimator.
Okay. Nice.
Work together and take care of it.
Wow, so you guys do car wraps too, right?
We do. We've got a couple of those scheduled right now. So
Like
it's
full
busy
car
month.
wraps.
Yes. We're going to do one for a music entertainment company next, and then after that we have a West Georgia golf carts. It's having a big vehicle wrap. So
Wow,
both
okay.
of those on the schedule. They take several days, so
Yeah.
it's an all hands on deck project.
Oh man, that's one thing. It hurt me to even be away from the car for like 2 hours. I'm like, oh,
Yes,
I can imagine the wrap.
Commit to leave it with us for several days.
Oh man, yeah.
But we do lock up the vehicles if they're left here overnight. We put them inside. And
Okay, cool. That sounds good.
We do
That
all the
sounds
city and the county patrol cars, police cars.
Oh, okay.
We do a graphic
That's why I've been
design.
seeing so many Douglas County. Okay. It's like, oh man, let me slow down a bit. Coming up here. All right. That's nice. That is real good. Well, y'all, I can go and tell you, I give them 5 stars on Google. I will do that. I will do that. They're very, very professional, very nice people, and they've been very, emails, phone calls, everything. I wouldn't expect it, but I'm so glad that I'm very, very professional.
We do take a little bit of pride in that. That's probably one of our biggest claims to success is that we follow through. A lot of people we hear from back say, I tried to get 3 quotes and I don't know if y'all are high or if you're low or you're right on target, but y'all are the only people that got back with me and followed up. You know, a lot of times you can get quotes from somewhere, but just that extra touch of, hey, did you get your quote? Do you have any questions? We've found that that's been very successful for us.
Yeah, it's definitely working out good. Because I'll definitely tell anyone who's in the Douglasville area, you need any type of car work done. I'm just gonna say any type of car work. You need any business type of decals or signs, banners, anything. They're right up here off of Fairburn Rd. Let me see, y'all got a car?
Yeah.
Okay. Got you. All right, so this is it. Extreme Images right here. This is Jennifer, the owner. Right here off of Fairburn Rd, 2118A Fairburn Rd, Douglasville, Georgia, 30135. So, if you want any work done, come here and they'll see that you are taken very good care of. And I'm not gonna let you see it yet, get some final touches on it, but I'm just gonna tell y'all what you go. Okay, so I'm gonna get these ladies off camera now because I know it's really awkward for them. It's all good. I'll get back with y'all in a bit. All right, so we are outside of Extreme Images that you all see right here. It's a real good place, great people, man. They do great work. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you the work that I've done. So I got some more stuff going. So we got that on both sides. And also when you ride behind me, now, yeah. JRTProductions right there, so you can see that. I think they did a really, really good job, man. It's not too big, it's kind of subtle, but you can still see it at the same time. And I'm not done yet, man. I'm not done yet. As you all know, if this is your first time at the channel, don't forget to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, let me know what y'all think of it, man. And don't forget, if you out here in the Douglasville area, come out here to Extreme Images, man. They'll get you signs, decals, whatever type of business, marketing, images that you need, they got you. They will take care of you. All right, so as you can see, I'm in my gym clothes. I'm about to go and make some gains real quick. Follow me on Snapchat at J_Rocks3. Instagram at JRTProductions 3. Forget y'all bless up. Johnny here, JRT Productions. Y'all take it easy. Peace.